mga kabinibini! This is your Sari Chikadora, Binibin friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, for today's video, mga kabinibini, what are we going to have is that we are going to learn the 100 most common French verbs. But I'm sure that if we're going to do that in one video, it will take long. So what are we going to do is that we're going to divide it into 4 parts. Okay, so each part there will be 25 common French verbs. Okay, so it's gonna be very easy for those who wants to learn the language. So just relax. Okay, so I am going to help you. So once again, before we are going to start, of course, you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to share my video. So mga kabinibini, what are we waiting for? Let's start. So in this video, mga kabinibini, what we're going to do is that I am going to read first in English, and then I will translate it in French. Let's start. To be, être, être, être. To have, avoir, avoir, avoir. To be able or can, pouvoir, pouvoir, pouvoir. To do or to make, faire, faire, faire. To put or to place, mettre, mettre, mettre. I hope you're doing fine. Okay, let's continue. To say or to tell, dire, dire, dire. To have to or must or to owe, devoir, devoir, devoir. Okay, open your mouth. Okay. Next word is to take, to catch, or to capture, prendre, prendre, prendre. Next, to give, to produce, donner, donner, donner. To go, aller, aller, aller. Okay, let's continue, mga kabinibini. To want or to wish, vouloir, vouloir, vouloir. To know, savoir, savoir, savoir. To have to, falloir, falloir, falloir. To see, voir, voir, voir. To ask, to request, demander, demander, demander. Next, to find, to discover, trouver, trouver, trouver. To return something or to give back, rendre, rendre, rendre. To come, venir, venir, venir. To pass or to go past, passer, passer, passer. To understand, to include, or to comprehend. Comprendre, comprendre, comprendre. To stay or to remain. Rester, rester, rester. To hold or to keep. Tenir, tenir, tenir. I hope you're following me. Okay, next. To carry, to wear. Porter, porter, porter. To speak or to talk. Parler, parler, parler. The last one, to show or to display. Montrer, montrer, montrer. So, ayan mga kabini-bini, I hope that you are doing fine and I hope that you are following me. And of course, I know it's quite difficult for the meantime. Well, don't worry, as we go along, okay, in this next clip, what we're going to do is that you are going to read after me, okay? So what I'm going to do now is that I am going to read the words only in French and then you have to repeat after me. So that is what we're going to do. So I hope that, okay, just stay calm, okay? So let's start, mga kabini-bini. Être, être, être. Avoir, avoir, avoir. Pouvoir, pouvoir, pouvoir. Faire, faire, faire. Mettre, mettre, mettre. Dire, dire, dire. Devoir, devoir, devoir. Prendre, prendre, prendre. Donner, donner, donner. Aller, aller, aller. Vouloir, vouloir, vouloir. Savoir, savoir, savoir. Falloir, falloir, falloir. Voir, voir, voir. Demander, demander, demander. Trouver, trouver, trouver. Rendre, rendre, rendre. Venir, venir, venir. Passer, passer, passer. Comprendre, comprendre, comprendre. Rester, rester, rester. Tenir, tenir, tenir. Porter, porter, porter. Parler, parler, parler. Montrer, montrer, montrer. So, ayan, mga kabibini, that's all for today's video. So, I do hope that you've learned something today. And I hope that you're going to just practice, okay? So, well, first, before you practice, you have to replay my video, of course, and then try to read the words like how I read the words. And it's okay, though I don't have that twang of being a French, but somehow being a foreigner and I have studied, I can guarantee you that French people, or for those people who speak French language, I'm sure that they can understand you. So don't worry. It's a matter of practice, and it's a matter of you listen to your voice, you listen to yourself, and be confident. That's the most important thing. So ayan, mga kabini-bini, well, I do hope that you will replay my video and then just practice it again. And of course, so before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So once again, mga kabini-bini, this is your Sari Chikadora, Bini-Bini Friends, signing off. Ciao!